Well, given that it's time for a little maintenance on this blade, I am going to do that on camera. So this is a decent polish, Ren wax. Put a little on. Yeah, 6 inches of rain in the last few days. Well, it was over 48 hours, so it doesn't take much for the humidity level to go up drastically. And that's what we're seeing here. Flip around. I'm not going to lose any sleep over that, but this knife will get used. Adds a little character. One thing when you're buffing a blade like this, put the edge on something hard, like wood, and keep that edge so it's touching on things, so that when you're doing this, you're not pulling your finger back and slicing the tips of your finger off. Trust me, it sucks. I learned that one the hard way. And even doing that, you'll still cut yourself. It's just a cost of playing with these things. That should help a little bit. I'll grab a fresh piece of paper towel. We let that sit on there until it's dry, which it is. Yeah, that's a little more oxidized than I thought it would be. Well, I don't know if I have my little piece of leather here. What I do is I take a piece of leather and I put some buffing compound on it. And I use that. Here we go. Little chunk of leather like this. And that will polish it. Oh, we don't need to put that back on there. Now there should be lots of abrasive on there. Polish that right off. That little spot's a little more so than your average. Well, you get the idea anyways. I'm not gonna bore you with this all night long, but a little bit of elbow grease and you'll never know. Same thing on that side. I gotta take the paper towel to it. Now, if I had used this knife and it had a patina already formed on it, this wouldn't have happened. may end up just putting this on the buffer rather than spend all this time and risk cutting my fingers off. So anyways, well, I mean, that gives you an idea. That's real world stuff going on with the knife. That's my fault, but I'm usually pretty careful. I thought I oiled this thing. I believe I actually used this stuff. That's what I recall doing before I put it in the sheath. Obviously, it doesn't work that well for protecting against oxidization. There's a fair bit there. I'm going to spend some time and do that off camera. And clean her all up, make her look all pretty, and call it a day. Anyways, thanks for watching.